Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Happy Friday Eve. We are almost to the finish line, boys and girls, and I am so proud of how far each of you have come. You have made my heart so happy and everybody else's heart so happy. So let's go ahead and get started with our lesson for today. All right, so today you will need to complete your spiral review as always. Complete your problems of the day, and then you will need to do practice on Education Galaxy or Clever Math. All right, so for your spiral review, you have 4 problems. The first one is place value, the second one is multiplication, the third one is division, and the fourth one is a fraction problem. Ooh, excuse me, I have the hiccups. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1 says, what is the place value of the underlined digit? Okay, so I'm looking at this number, and let's go ahead and read it. I want you to say it to yourself first. Now let's say it together. 60,407. Okay? That is our number. But we are trying to find the place value of the underlined digit. So I'm looking at this number, and our underlined digit is boop, 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 right here. The underlined digit is a 4. And I see it's in a certain place. So I need you to tell me what is the place value of that underlined digit. Okay. Your second problem that you're working on is find the product. So you have a multiplication problem, and a product is the answer. So you are trying to find what is 4 times 7. You can do a number line, you can draw, or you could just add it up in your head, repeated addition, however you want to solve it. Your third problem is find the quotient, and we know that a quotient is the answer to a division problem. So your problem that you're working on is 42 divided by 7. So in my mind, you can also do a number line, or you can draw a picture, and you have to tell me what is 42 divided by 7. And your fourth problem that we are going to be working on is talking about Miss Washington's one of her favorite foods, which is pizza, right up there with hamburgers. And the problem says a pizza is cut into 12 equal slices. You and your friends have eaten 3 of the slices all together. What fraction of the pizza has been eaten? Okay? So you have 12 equal slices. You and your friends have eaten 3 pieces all together. What fraction of that pizza has been eaten? You have to figure it out and tell me. But you're all smart, so I know you can do it. Okay? So our focus this week has been geometry. We've been focusing on triangles and quadrilaterals and squares and rectangles and rhombuses and things like that. So let's just go ahead and do a quick little overview of what those things are. So a polygon is a 2D closed shape made with 3 or more line segments. Okay, 3 or more line segments, but it has to be a 2D closed shape. If the shape is not closed in, then it's not going to be a polygon. Okay. Next, we have our rectangle, but we're not going to focus on that one today. So let's go ahead and skip down to our 3 types of triangles that we have. The first one we have is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has 3 sides that are the same length, okay? That is super important that you understand that it has to be the same length, all right? Next, we have an isosceles triangle. That is a triangle that has at least 2 sides that are the same length. Not all 3, but at least 2 of the sides are the same length. And then next, we have a saline triangle, and that's a triangle that's unique because none of the sides have the same length. So that one is quite special. All right. So we do have acute, right, and obtuse triangle, but we don't have to focus on those today. So what I would like for us to do is I would like for us to go right here to this slide. On this particular slide, I want for us to understand that we do have our 4 types of triangles. We have equilateral, isosceles, saline, and right. So here's just a quick overview to help you understand what each one is. So I'll pause right here so you can look at it. Okay. Now it's your turn. I would like for you to look at these 6 different types of triangles, and I want for you to tell me what kind they are, okay? So I'll pause here so you can see them. Okay, and as always, I have math videos that you can watch. You can watch this one on classifying triangles, and you can watch this one if you want a refresher on classifying quadrilaterals. And of course, I would love for you to show me your work. You can send me your answers, Class Dojo, or text message. And as always, remember, you will need to complete your clever task this week. This is, we're coming up to the end of you having your Chromebooks if you borrow them from the school. So remember, 45 minutes this week on clever task, okay? All right, as always, you can do it. You got this. Remember, you are smart, you are loved, you are missed. I want for everyone to have a wonderful Friday Eve, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.